Good morning, Mokaba Free Nation entrepreneurs and fellow hustlers. I'm going to show you how to make a tummy fat destroyer. I'm going to show you how to make tummy fat destroyer tea. This is the tea that I'll be showing you to make. We've already measured it in there, and then rooms, we're going to just put it in here as well, ne? So remember, we've got a few teas. We've got your tummy fat destroyer tea. You've got flat stomach tea with green tea, flat stomach tea with moringa. Those are weight loss and flat tummy products. And obviously, we've got a whole lot of other teas. I think we've got at least 25 teas actually in our tea library. So I'm going to show you how. I'm sharing with you the ingredients right now. We are bringing the water to boil. So water is boiling right now. We will be using tummy fat destroyer. Thanks, Sister Lundi. It was so good seeing you the other day. So we are bringing water to boil. We've got the tummy fat destroyer tea. Let me show you. When you buy the tummy fat destroyer tea, you get 2 sachets. 2 sachets, it's 150 rands. Okay, so the 2 sachets. And then if you buy 1 sachet, it's only 100 rands. Okay, so for those people that are forever asking for samples, when I share from big, hey, can I have a sample? Hey, you know your tea works, Sister Lundi, for example. You know your tea works, and then you let people, hey, sample. So sell them. It's so easy. Actually, when I say my sample, it's 100 rand. Yeah, 100 rand, it's nothing. Even the security guards, everywhere I've been going. Yeah, everywhere I've been going, when someone says, can I have a sample of the tea? I'll be like, you know what? Let us, barricade. It's only 100 rand. I get it out of the car. And that's how I've been selling the tea. Wow. Yeah. Let's just show. Right now, we've got, these are the ingredients. Let me show you, boss ladies. Okay. So we've just brought the water to boil. Okay, that's water that's already boiled. And then here, she's measured in, it's 1 teaspoon, ne? Yes. 1 teaspoon of the tummy fat destroyer tea, it's in here. Remember, tummy fat destroyer is 600 milliliters yes. measurement. I'm going to measure one also because I drink about 1.2 liters a day. Okay. Okay, so, and then 1 in my tumbler. So the tumbler is what I'm taking to work with me. Okay, so that's my tumbler. Here, we've got dehydrated ginger. Okay, so the dehydrated ginger, the way we get it actually, because ginger, sometimes it gets so expensive. So we've got dehydrated ginger. And we supply this, by the way, to some of our bigger, like type of, business to business type of customers. So Chef Rumbi has just blended the ginger. So it comes in, obviously, we dehydrate it dry, and then you just blend it here at home. The smell is absolutely divine. Okay, so I'm just going to go a 1/4 teaspoon in both. That's my ginger. Okay, it smells absolutely divine. And then we've got lemon as well. Okay, I'll throw in the lemon after. I bought that's the measuring cup. We want 600 milliliter. And there, the 600 milliliter also in the tumbler. Remember, the tumbler is already 600 milliliters, ne? Yeah. You can drink this before your meals. You can drink it after your meals. You can drink it in between. It's all about your lifestyle, so whatever is convenient, okay? What I love about the tumbler is for chevrons, can we just show them? You know, sometimes you'll be like, oh, but I don't have a sift, or I'm at a place where I cannot have the sift. All our tumblers come with the sift, okay? So remember, when the leaves actually settle, they go to the bottom. Yes. And then you can actually sift it, or some people will like their tea strong, some don't like it strong. For me, the tumbler, normally I will leave the leaves for throughout the day, and that's how I actually just consume them. Sometimes I might refill the tumbler, okay? And then what I love about the tumbler also is that it's got the secret compartment near the bottom where you can store your collagen, your cough enhancer, your moringa, whatever capsules that you are using, even your tummy fat destroyer capsule. It just makes it easier for you to remember. And remember, this keeps your tea warmer for longer. Another question that we get like on a frequent basis, chef rooms, people want to know, do they have to drink the tea hot? You don't have to drink it hot, you can drink it cold as well. Hot or cold, it's entirely up to you. Add some lemon slice to it as well with the dehydrated ginger, and then you can drink it throughout the day. So there we have it, okay? You can let it settle for about 5 to 7 minutes or longer if you want or like your tea stronger. But then if you're brewing it in just a jug or a cup like this, if you've got it like a measuring cup, it's not a problem as well. What you do, you let it settle for those who don't want to drink the leaves, but there's absolutely no harm, you know. So I'm just gonna sift it. Voila. How I prefer taking mine first thing in the morning, I'll take it warm. Throughout the day I can drink it cold. If you want to, you can add some ice because it's really hot. Imagine, actually it's so delicious. Take your tea, Tummy Fat Destroyer, brew it, add some ginger, lemon, add some ice, and then you have your iced tea.
Wow.
Instead of drinking the store-bought iced tea that has sugar.
Wow.
You understand? So, or you can add some honey actually if you want to. If you want to add a little bit of flavor, you know, you can add some honey and then make your own iced tea. So remember here, the ingredients is the tea. You can use any of the teas, Flastamar tea with green tea, Tummy Fat Destroyer, Moringa, depending on what your goal is and what it is that you're working towards. Add lemon, add some ginger. If you don't have dehydrated ginger, just the normal ginger, it's fine as well. And then for later, add some ice. Imagine adding some ice.
Or maybe you can even make your lollies.
Yeah, Chef Rumbi, why are you doing this? And you know I love ice lollies. So you can actually make your own lollies, right? And for those people actually that are also on weight loss program, or want a flat tummy, you can use the tea also as your base. So instead of using water or milk, you can actually use the tea as your base. So you go 200 milliliters of your tea, blend in your shake, and then voila. So you're killing two birds with one stone. So just get creative. Let us know how you enjoy taking your tea. Do you like it hot or cold? Do you like it both? When do you drink it? Do you drink it before or after meals or with your meals? Do you drink it at night? Do you drink all of it at one go? Which is what I do sometimes. Or sometimes I'll just have a sip of a little bit of everything and then later I'll finish it. Let us know how you prefer taking your teas and how do you recommend that your customers take it as well. Have a power day. Let us know if you've got any further questions. Remember, for the distributors, like I said, those people that are always asking for samples, right? What you do is that you say, okay, my samples are 100 Rand. I guarantee you, boss lady, I guarantee you they will come back, and most of the time they'll come back and say, can I have Fat Flush also? Can I have Baraking? Can I also have maybe the Tummy Fat Destroyer capsules? So most of the time, 100 Rand is the easiest to sell. 100 Rand, it's like everyone has it. I don't know, the other day, like I said, I went to a mall and someone was like, oh, what, can I have samples, please? People are always asking for samples. Oh, come to my car. You've got 100 Rand, quick exchange. Everybody can afford that 100 Rand. And most likely, once they understand how the product works and after using it for 3 to 4 days, guaranteed they will come to you. But make sure you explain to people how to use the product so that they can maximize results, so that they can come back, so that they can actually share their testimonies and have more people coming back to you and buying from you. Very, very important. And lastly, do not forget, you've got to stay hydrated. People are always asking, what are the side effects of using the tea? Side effects, because, you know, this is natural, 100% made of herbs and spices, okay? The side effects that you are most likely to experience, because the tea detoxes naturally. So some people, if you're not drinking enough water, you might have headaches, depending how toxic your body is, because for many, many, many years, maybe we're living a sedentary life, we are eating whatever that we are eating, so you've got all these toxins that are building up in your body, and the fact that your body does not eliminate, you know, because you don't drink enough water, you don't pee enough. Some people don't do number 2 also, you know, regularly, you're not that regular, so you've got all these toxins that are building up in your body. So it's possible that you might have a headache. Some people have a running stomach, although in none of these teas, none of them have laxatives, okay, or senna. The only tea that has laxative is our colon tea, which is also fantastic. Because some people think, well, you've got more cover, but all you have, it's a lot of number 2. So that helps you get rid of a lot of number 2 that's been stuck, because it dries out in there. Chevrons, it dries out because
true.
you don't eliminate, yeah?
It's true.
So that's one, headache, possibly. Secondly, some people have a running stomach. Some people might get actually bloated if they're not drinking enough water and not eating a high fiber kind of meals. And then also some people was like, oh, but I'm constipated for a day or two or whatever. Just encourage them to keep on drinking water, upping their vegetable intake, okay? And then as much as possible, reduce on the junk food. Another question that we get quite frequently also is that, do I have to be on the tea for the rest of my life? I've been on the tea since 2015. I've got a stomach, I eat every single day. The reason why I'm on it, because I don't like the bloated feeling that you get after eating. Think about it, first thing in the morning when you wake up, because obviously your body's dehydrated, you haven't drank, and then you've been on a fast, you wake up, you are nice and flat. Come 2, 3 o'clock, you look like we are 4 months pregnant. So for me, the tea's been helping you with that bloatedness feeling that I don't like having. So if you don't want to drink it because for whatever reason, because then when you're okay, you're not bloated, that's also not a problem. Once you've achieved your results, you can actually maintain. Or maintain, just buy, take 100 rand and just drink it as and when you need it. Or any of other teas as well for maintenance, like for example the moringa with the fennel, that's also very good for digestion. You know, sometimes you go like to weddings, you go to the braai, you come back, you feel really, really bloated. So the tea actually helps with that. So for me personally, that's why I take it, and I take it throughout the year. But when I score and you feel like, no, I'm happy with the way I look, I'm just going to maintain, that's also fine. Have a power day, everybody. Let me know if you've got any questions. Remember, I've asked you, how do you like taking your teas? What else do you mix? Tina, I said there's lemon, we've got ginger here. What else do you add? Chevron sometimes makes me iced tea. She will add like berries sometimes and add a little bit of honey as well. It is absolutely divine. It is very refreshing. Fill up the ice, go crazy. You're going to have fun. So let me know, how do you take it? How do you recommend your customers take it as well? And if you've got any testimony, please do not hesitate to share your testimony about how the tea has truly transformed the quality of your life. And oh yes, another question. People are like, some people who have never been on the tea, people will be sharing like their testimonies, right? And then people will be like, oh, does it also change your complexion? Think about when you're detoxing and cleansing, what happens to your skin?
You glow.
You glow. You glow. So your complexion, yes.
Remember, we'll be healing from inside.
100%. So we're cleansing from the inside out. Hence, you'll see some people actually glowing. So sometimes the complexion that you have, before you start rushing into using other things that people are using to try and brighten your skin, start first by cleansing on the inside. You already have a natural glow. You just want to get rid of the toxins from your body, and you'll see and experience a beautiful glow on the outside as well. Have a power day, everybody. Do not forget to be awesome, and please be great.